Good day in home, I'm your host Will and Cloud and welcome back to Jakuna or Mazda 6 video. Last time I showed you how to remove the glove box. This time I'll show you how to put it back. Now what you need to align is these tabs behind 1, 2. You need to align them with right here and right here. If you don't align them, your glove box won't sit properly. So you need to align them. And then you can slide it up until these latches latch in here. And then you can attach this one. That's the procedure. Let me show you with one hand. Right there. I know it's a little bit dark and you can't see that well. There you go. Now the glove box is hinged. You can see it's hinged. Now you need to push this in. And on the other side the same. I'm holding the glove box at the same time, so you need to do the same. So there you go. It made a click sound. Now you can attach this on the side. Just pull it up a little bit, pull it down, flip it back in. That's fully clipped in. That's seated there. So now you can just close the glove box and all done. That's a quick video how to put back the glove box for your Mazda 6 to 2010 Mazda 6. If you liked this video and this video was helpful, of course, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!